Let's redesign the new 1 square meter room in New York. Little John worked hard for 10 years and finally saved up $2 million to buy a house. But it was barely bigger than a square meter. Even his little cat couldn't fit inside. He had to settle for the cheapest hammock. Ultimately, he couldn't handle the cramped space and had to renovate it. He starts by removing the original windows and replaces them with a galvanized square steel frame, reinforced with horizontal and vertical welds for extra strength. He spends his last bit of pocket money on expansion screws to securely attach it to the wall. A top-mounted pull-down storage cabinet is installed for snacks, sundries, underwear, smelly socks, and some private collections, all covered with environmentally friendly solid wood boards for durability. On top of the wooden boards, he places a folding mattress that serves as a comfortable bed, big enough for him and his girlfriend to sleep on together. It's also easy to put away when not needed. He installs window guards to protect against strong winds. Lifting the cover reveals additional storage space for things like suitcases and synthetic bedding. This setup allows him to sit on the ground, saving space and eliminating the need to visit his neighbor's house, which suits shy Little John just fine. Little John tiles the inner area and uses the ceiling as a bathroom heater, installing a shower head on the wall. This setup allows him to come home from work each day and shower with his favorite fragrances. A glass door is installed to separate the wet and dry areas of the bathroom. He makes a folding table on the wall that doubles as a workspace when topped with a computer. He also installs a switch plug nearby, eliminating worries about charging his phone. Above the table, he sets up a screen for the freedom to watch movies anytime, anywhere. In the corner, he installs a sink and a wall storage rack for his comb, toothbrush, and toothpaste. A mirror above the sink transforms this into a washing area. Little John, who loves grooming, can dress up daily. He then installs a clothes rail to hang all his favorite and not-so-favorite clothes, turning his compact space into a coffin room that pretends life is rich and colorful.